guys, today we are going to look at the fireworks show that's going on as they light up the sky. And this is just the start, not the grand finale. It's finally time.
Here, Tiffany, get that. Turn my screen around.
Woo!
Hey, that way. I didn't mean to.
Woo!
Ready?
Guys, this is actually so cool. Whoa! Look at that, guys. I'm never gonna lose this memory.
The kid looks like a glare. Help me.
Oh my God!
It's right here.
Whoa! All at the same time? How much fireworks do they have? Someone who watching this, leave a comment and ask Google how much fireworks they have. And then post it in the comments. I'll heart it if you get it right. And I'll also look it up. And if you get it right, I will heart your comment. Oh shoot, that one's a big one. That one's big. Whoa, that one's beautiful. That's pretty. Oh my. Oh, that one just went into the air. It was like, I'm leaving. It was like, wee. Whoa. I just caught the first one to delete. And again. And I caught it again. I can't believe this. Wow. Now I can't because they're all at the same time. The sun shines in your eyes. Oh, look at those ones over here. There's also ones over there. I'm on the car roof. It's night. It's dark outside, like very dark, and the fireworks show is going on.
Tiffany?
And the sun shines in your eyes. Yo, guys, this is actually so good. Drop a heart in the comments if you like fireworks, and the firework emoji, and the party emoji. And comment which one you think was the biggest.
Look at the moon. I'm gonna dent your car. Look at the glow around it.
Look at the glow around the moon. She was right. That looks like the sun.
The day after a full moon, so it's gonna glow because there's gonna be changing humidity in the air.
Did you guys hear that? I never knew that because I'm just 7 years old. Ooh, that was a big one that some of it even reached the trees. I'm surprised there's not a wildfire going on after they touched the trees. Oh, that's a lot of them at once. And I'm going to be quiet so you guys can hear it. I don't know if I can because I have a talking problem.
Send that to me.
If anyone who knows me is watching all this, then drop a comment.
Okay, come on.
Oh, look at it. They're lighting up the sky, guys. Sun shines in your eyes. pool.
I'll go first.
I completely missed that one.
Good enough.
Yo, this is amazing.
I knew I was gonna make you.
Wait, guys. Dad, could you get me off the car real quick?
You can't. Made Jada laugh.
Oh, I'm scared.
Oh, come on, kid.
You're
Scared about.
Alright, guys, I don't want you guys to miss.
You laugh. You laugh.
I'm gonna have to sit right about here. Yeah, that's my brother because that's his chair. Brother, can Baby Ty sit in your chair? Baby Ty!
Sitting in the chair right now.
Yeah, Baby Ty! Am I loud?
In what way, honky?
Guys, don't listen to that creep. Stop calling my brother a creep. I only did it one time. He did it first. He's rude first. He never called you a creep. Do you see I'm clearly recording? Like, actually, stop. Guys, ignore the background. Because no one likes the background. Like, no one wants extra stuff. Just rocking in my chair. Addie, did you just hear what Baby Ty just called my brother? Baby Ty just called my brother a creep. Yo, guys, drop a heart in the comments with the fire emoji and if you think that these are crazy. That was the biggest one I've ever seen in my life.
Explosion over Emoji's head. Explosion. Kaboom. Kaboom.
Kabow.
Oh.
And here's another YouTuber right there. His name is Jesse Knox. Go watch him.
Hey.
Drop a heart in the comments if you know Jesse Knox. Drop in the comments too if you know my YouTube channel. But you didn't know that I was also a YouTuber. What?
I'm a TikToker.
What the heck?
I only do TikTok.
I do YouTube.
I just didn't bring my phone to do any YouTube videos.
I'm recording this. Everyone's actually gonna love this, and I'll have these memories forever. This
have a phone. Mine's gone.
and guys, this title is gonna be the fireworks show SMP. Like literally.
Call me firework show.
Huh?
You can't call me.
And I will literally record this video until it is over. And that's like 5 hours, guys, of watching this. This is going to be the longest video I've ever made if it's actually 5 hours. The longest video I've made, except for this one, is my Build a Boat for Treasure one, which has been an hour, 5 minutes, and 30 seconds, I think. Whoa! Well, in that video, I didn't get to upload it because I forgot how to upload it on my screen. So I guess I'll never be able to do that again. There's smoke. Is there a wildfire? The sun shines in the rain. What? Did the phone screen just flash? What the heck, man? That made absolutely no sense. But okay. And guys, I have no idea how I'm going. I'm probably gonna need a cameraman if I'm gonna have to.
Yeah, but if you guys know anybody on YouTube named Elena, Elena, I think Met, something like that,
That's my last name.
then just let me know.
You mean let me know? Bro, get off of my head.
You go.
And I'm also gonna make a Build a Boat video if I remember how to upload those things. I'm going to make a build a boat
my
video.
YouTube channel though is private, so all on private videos.
My TikTok is Addy.
Addy, yeah. Guys, if you know these creep people on YouTube, then leave a comment.
I don't do YouTube. Wait, maybe I do
Move.
TikTok.
Move, Nick. No, they're glowing in the dark.
My TikTok is Addy. It's
Oh.
ADDIE.
My name's
IDDIE.
My name's Tiffany.
I have you. My name
Guys, actually, for FR move.
What did it look like?
FR move. Like for real.
Me like did one and we
Mom, we should go down there.
And yes, this is not unedited. This is not an edited video. This is an IRL video.
Went down there.
This is an IRL video, guys. 10 minutes of my life of recording on this video. Actually, it's 11.
Only Kalina goes like it. Do you want to go in?
Wait, we're both rocking our chairs.
Down more? Sure. Like, don't bring your chairs. Walk.
Here, whoever can get.
Can you
I'm not
move?
racing you. I have these shoes on.
Anybody like me?
Wait, baby, time.
Guys.
Will you stop calling me Baby Ty and just call me Tyler? I'm actually so done with it.
That's what everyone
I
calls
have
you.
to call you Baby Ty because your dad's name is also Tyler. So we have no choice but to call you Baby Ty. That way then you don't get your mixed up. Let's go.
What that? Wow. Is that a snake? Is that thing a little snake that glows in the dark? Now it's a Titanic.
Up here.
2 minutes ago and 20 seconds ago, I said I'm recording this. Meh.
Move up with her since she couldn't.
And I was on the car. Stop.
I didn't want you to move up.
Actually, it was 30 seconds ago. 30.
Yeah, good. You can see it.
2 minutes and 40 seconds. Actually, when I did all of that. So, love you guys. Thanks for supporting me. The sun shines in your eyes. Who the heck smacked my seat?
I smell the smoke.
You won't. That might smell.
The smoke actually smells very good.
What the? Guys, it actually smells terrible over here. This is the grand finale, I think. Is this the grand finale?
Look all the fireworks go. Oh my god. Give me a freaking seat. Wow. Okay, I forgot. This might be grand finale because all the fireworks are really blue in the air. Also, how did I get so many fireworks by the way? Dude, it's so beautiful!
I know.
I
Why does it look like a miniature tornado right
Wait,
there?
What did that bring me?
Looks like a
That
miniature
was
tornado.
awesome. That was awesome.
It looks like a tornado right there, doesn't it, guys?
That was so beautiful.
It's over!
Wait, but I see fireworks over there.
Oh, there's still fireworks! Fireworks! More fireworks! Get out! I need to record. And I've been recording for 14 minutes. supposed to be 15 and she just tripped. Whoa! Woo!
Tyler. I'm gonna try to get you guys on the floor. Timmy's gonna talk to you out.
Hey,
I love you guys.
Love you.
if Jada comes to the house, would you be able to take her home? Alrighty.
Thanks for supporting me, everyone. But the fireworks show is over.
Alrighty, guys. Tyler.
That was an amazing fireworks show.
Alright, see ya.
All right, everyone. I love you guys. Thanks for supporting me. I will see you guys in the next one, which I might make in the car. Bye. I'm going to make another video in the car. Bye. Do you see the video on me saying bye?
I see it, buddy. Good job.
All right.
It was nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. I'm sure we'll see you again.
Dad, open the car.
Tyler, you're gonna go with Tracy because she's gonna drop you off with your mom.
Oh,
Ready? Oh yeah, 4th of July.
I love you, Dad.
Doesn't matter why.
See you later. Bye, guys.